Close that door, we blowing smoke. She asked me light a fire like a Marsan. Ay. Act a fool on stage, probably leave my fucking show in a cop car. Ay. Shit was legendary through a TV out the window.